In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update Amazon Shopping app to the latest version. So if you want to get the latest features that come with Amazon Shopping app, all you need to do is to go ahead and update it. By updating your Amazon Shopping app, you'll be able to get the latest features, and as well, you'll be able to fix security issues that are associated with online apps. Besides that, you'll also be able to fix errors such as bugs and also malfunctioning of the app. To update your Amazon Shopping app, you can either do it on Android smartphone through the Google Play Store, or you can do it on iPhone through App Store. So for this case, I'm going to use Android smartphone to show you the process. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so let's get into it. To get started, go to Play Store and then tap on it. And from here, search for Amazon Shopping app. And here we go. Amazon Shopping is here. I'll go ahead and tap on it. Now this will open these two features under this app: uninstall and open. So if you find yours is missing open, it will be written update. That means that you are using an outdated version and an secure version of Amazon Shopping app. So to get the latest features and a more secure and robust Amazon Shopping app, go ahead and tap on update. Then this will go ahead and install the latest version of Amazon Shopping app on your smartphone, and then you will see this option called open. So for my case, I'll not update it because I already have the latest version of Amazon Shopping app. Once you're done, now you can tap on open, or you can as well go back and then just tap on your app to get started with your shopping experience. So that's how you get the latest version of Amazon Shopping app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.